Hi guys, I'm back to finish the last lab on operating systems and you becoming a power user course. The last lab is on week 6. Uh, we will go there and go to week 6 and all the way down there is our lab. All right, right here. So we did this lab. We dealt with logs to track issues on Windows, and then now we will deal with logs to track issues in Linux, right? So we did that, and then now we'll do this one right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, go ahead and hit yes, and then select the traffic lights. Yeah, verify, open the tool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start my lab. Taxes. Okay, my lab is here. Okay, I'm going to bring up PuTTY. No, I'm sorry, before that, I keep forgetting about the PPK. So you want to download PPK first. Make sure you download PPK, not PEM. PEM is for the Mac users and the Chromebook, I think, the Chromebook users. All right, so make sure if you are using Windows, make sure you download this one. All right, so it's downloaded. I'm going to bring the PuTTY up, enter, and then use my username at the IP address, and then expand SSH, and then auth. Just click on auth, don't expand it. Okay, go to browse your computer and bring the last PPK that you downloaded. All right, so the last one is this one right here. I'm gonna double click on it so it's opened right here, and then open the whole thing. All right, see yes, and I am on that computer right now. So they opened uh, a command line interface on us, so we'll deal with Linux just using the command line. Okay, so go all the way down to the lab and see what they want us to do. Okay, so they want us to view the logs. So if you remember on Windows, we viewed logs using the event viewer, but on the Linux now, we will just we will just give it commands to view the logs. All right, so this command here, right here, is a command to view logs. I'm gonna just write it because the copy pasting is not working in my case. I hope it works for you. All right, it's ls space slash var slash logs. Hit enter and you will see the logs. All right, so this is the syslog is the log that we want to deal with. And then the command to see that what's going on inside the syslog is uh, this command right here, sudo space cat space var log. I'm just gonna put that in there. So it's sudo space cat space slash var slash log slash syslog. All right, hit enter, and then as you can see, there's a lot of files inside the syslog, and we cannot see which one is which. And if you are new to using terminal, you will be lost. And then just go ahead and see what they want you to do next. All right. Uh, so there's a load disk space, and then there's from one of these files, one of these of all these files inside here. Sorry. Okay, one of these files, all of these files is very large, so we want to get rid of it. But how to find it, I cannot just scroll up and look for it because I don't know. So but there is a way to do that. And you see this command right here will filter the largest files for you. All right, so just go ahead and write this command. It's called sudo do -a /home space pipe sort space -n-r. Don't forget the spaces. Pipe head space -n and then 5. Oops, just 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit enter. And as you can see, all of those files are here. And then the largest one is this one. This is the one you want you to remove. We'll go ahead and remove that. So the command to remove it is this one right here. So sudo remove and all the command. All right, sudo rm, which is for remove, space /home /lab /storage /the oops, sorry. Okay, /storage the file name, which is ultra. I'm sorry. Maybe it's gonna work this time. Oops, no, it never works. So it just gives us troubles. So I'm gonna just run that command again and then do this command right there. So sudo rm space /home /lab /storage / and then the name of the file is ultra underscore mega underscore large dot txt. Okay, let's go run it. So just hit enter and that's it. You just removed this file right here that might have like almost 10 gigabytes of stuff inside your computer, as we saw it on Windows last time on the last lab. Okay, we'll go ahead and check our progress. There is nowhere to check the progress here as usual, so go here and then click on it and check your progress. So the first one is this one. Check it, and then as you can see, you earn 10 points. All right, so that's done. Let's move on to remove a corrupted file. So there is a corrupted file inside our computer, and then we want to look for it. So the way to look for it is you want to look in which folder is a corrupted file. As you can remember, on Windows, we can just go ahead and then open the File Explorer, go to Windows, go to Users, go to Documents, go wherever you want to go and look for it and you'll find it. But in the command line, usually you work with commands. So go ahead. The way I did it is just cd home. Nope, I'm sorry. Yeah, cd dot is changing you from the root directory to home directory. Hit enter, and as you can see, you are in the home directory, and just say ls to list the items that are inside the home directory, and then there is a lab directory. You can cd into that lab directory, hit enter, and then you can see ls to see what items are inside that, hit enter, and then you can see that there is a corrupted file inside there. All right, so we want to go back again to where we were. To do that, just put cd space shift tilde, okay, and then hit enter. You hit enter, you went back to the root directory. All right, and then from this directory you want to run a command to remove this file. Okay, so this is the command: sudo rm uh, slash home slash lab slash the name of the file, which is corrupted. It's right here, corrupted file, corrupted underscore file. Hopefully it works. Okay, so go ahead and hit enter, and then let's go ahead and check that. If you want to check it just here without even checking your progress, right here you can check it. You can go back to the home directory, cd dot dot, and then without saying ls, I can just change the directory to the lab, hit enter, and then ls. And as you can see, there's no more corrupted file inside the lab. All right, there's only download, storage, and super secret file. Okay, so we get rid of this one. All right, so let's go ahead and check our progress. Corrupted file right here. Okay, so we earned 10 points again. Nice, congratulations. Okay, let's go ahead and do the other one. So the other one is updating a VLC, the VLC program, so the video LAN. Okay, go ahead to the terminal again, and then look. You don't need to look for anything, just give it a command. I will give it to you right now. So the command to check first if there is one. So check if there is a VLC actually inside there, so to update it and see what's the last version and stuff. We just want to play with the terminal a little bit so you can see how to work with it. All right, so the way I can do that is sudo. We did actually this one before. So sudo, no, not sudo. So it's d package. D package stands for Debian package. And Debian package is a package manager for Linux VLC. All right, D package space -s space VLC, hit enter, and it will give you all these. I'm sorry. It will give you all. It will give you all this information about the VLC. So it's actually, it says that it's installed. Okay, installed there. So there is a VLC inside that, and then the version is 119. All right. So let's go ahead and update that program and see what version it's gonna give us. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oops, I'm just gonna go back to my root directory. I'm gonna say cd space shift tilde, and it's gonna take me to the root because I was inside home and labs. Okay, right, so I will change that directory, and then it doesn't actually matter if we are still on the lab. We can still see if we can still install the package right there, the VLC package. But I just want to go back to this to the root directory and run the commands from there. Okay, so I'm gonna say sudo space apt. So if you remember from the quizzes, apt is always the command that will run in Linux to install or to do something, to update something. Apt dash get space install space f dash f. All right, so run that. It will ask you if you want to continue, and then write Y for yes or no for N for no. So we're gonna say Y, and then just leave it until it's done. All right. Once it's done, you can check what's the version of the latest one right now. Okay. Okay, so now it's done, and you can just run the command that will run to check if there is a VLC. So d package space dash s space VLC. All right, so let's go ahead and see the version right now. So our version is right here, and it's 3.0.11. All right, so it's updated, and then that's a success. Okay, let's go ahead and check our progress. Check progress, and then we earn 10 points. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and finish. So there is a malicious process inside our computer, and we want to end that malicious process. Okay, so to end that, we'll go back to our terminal, and then go all the way down and look for that malicious process. So where is the malicious process? What's the process name? We don't know. So it just say that there's a malicious process. We can look for it. We can actually just see the home again, and then inside home ls, and then inside home there is lab, there is student blah blah blah, and there is totally not malicious. So this is the file you want to look for. All right, so go back, cd dot or no, cd tilde shift tilde, and then hit enter, and you can run the command to remove this one, to terminate this one, not to remove, to kill this process. So we want to kill this process. It's going on, it's running inside our computer, but we want to kill it. Okay, so the command is ps dash space dash aux space pipe grep, and the name of the command inside quotes. Okay, give it quotes, and then write totally underscore not underscore malicious. Make sure it's correct, and then the quotes. Okay, hit enter. All right, once you hit enter, you will see the IDs for your process. Okay, so there is two IDs right here. One is 1236, one is 1239. You want to kill those processes of this file. Okay, so to kill it, sudo kill, and then the ID is 1236. Hit enter, that's killed, and then one more time, sudo kill, and this time is just 1239. See, I'm just gonna change this. All right, so just hit enter, and then you killed it. Even it says not such a process, but you give it a command. If there is a process, it will kill it. If there is not a process, it will see there is not a process. All right. So for this one, I'm sorry. Oops. For this one right here, it will never get killed because it's just for the command we will give in the grep command. The commands also are a processes, so you don't worry about that one. So go back, check progress, and there it is, 10 points. Congratulations. All right, go back, and then the last one is to change permissions of secret file to public. All right, change permissions. You need to put 777. This is a number we give to to give permissions to use to anybody, to everyone in that computer to write in any files. So 7.777 is the number for write. And then for read, I don't know what number. You can Google it. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we are on the root directory, and then we will look first for the secret file, and I think we saw it somewhere. Okay, you can just go back home, cd dot dot, and then cd to labs, maybe to lab, and ls, and then this is the file they want you to give permission to everyone to write inside it. Okay, and this computer, the admin of this computer denied permissions to everybody to write inside this file. Okay, think of it as if you have a file inside your computer, in your Windows computer, and you just encrypt it so you can only write inside it. So that's the case. We want to make this file unlocked so everybody can change it. All right, so this is the command. Let's go back home. Let's go back to the root directory, cd shift tilde, go back, and then let's run this command, sudo shomd stands for, oops, what's going on? Stands for change mode. Sorry, I just misspelled it. Change mode. Okay, chmode. Okay, let's go ahead and write 777, and then space slash home slash lab, because it's inside the lab, slash the file name is super underscore secret underscore file dot txt. Okay, hit enter. I hope this is the right command. So home lab super secret blah blah blah. So what is this? It's just clear. So the super secret file.txt file that lives inside the lab folder, that lives inside the home folder, we want to give it to allow everyone to write inside it. All right, so that's and then change mode from not allowing to write inside that to allowing to write inside that. Okay, just hit enter, and that's done. Let's go ahead and see if we did it right. check my progress, and then 10 points. Congratulations. All right, thank you guys. You are done with your lab. You got 50 by 50, and then you're all set. I hope this helped you a lot. And if you have any other questions, you can always reach out. And if I know the answers to your questions, I will answer you. Thank you very much. All right. I'm gonna give this lab 5.